Hello student, today we will do the study of extract based question, short answer type questions, 2 marks of poem Wind. Read the extract and answer the following question. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Question 1. How does a violent wind disturb the damaged thing? Your answer is a violent wind breaks the window shutters and scatters the papers. It also throws down the books kept on the shelf. Of violent wind has power to destroy everything near it. Question 2. What request does the poet make to the wind? Which poetic device has been used in these lines? The poet requests the wind to blow gently and not to cause any damage or destruction. The poetic device used in these lines is anaphora, as the imperative don't is repeated in 3 consecutive lines. Stanza 2. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weakling. Question 1. What destruction did the strong wind bring? The wind destroys everything that comes in its way. The strong wind throws the book, tears their pages, and breaks the shutter of the windows. The poet is trying to tell the wind about its destructive power in the given stanza. Question 2. What is the attitude of the wind towards the weakling? The wind has a devastating effect. It ruins everything that comes in its way when it is in full power. It destroys everything and also makes fun of the poor, weak people and things that come in way. Stanza 3. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Why are the houses, doors, rafters, etc. crumbling? The houses, doors, rafter, windows, weak bodies, etc. are crumbling because they are weak and cannot stand the destruction brought by the wind. Explain the expression crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Many lives are lost when wind blows strongly. The lives of people are shattered too because their loved ones are dead and their homes are destroyed. They are left with no hope in life. Stanza 4. Let us join the doors firmly, practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. The wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourishes. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. Question is, why does the poet ask us to make strong houses? What should we do to our hearts and bodies? The poet asks us to build strong houses as a defense against the wind. If we will create strong houses and doors, the wind cannot destroy them. We should make our bodies firm and our hearts steadfast to save ourselves against wind. Question 2. When will the wind be our friend? What is the effect of the wind on the fire? The wind will be our friend when we are strong. The wind blows out the weak fires but makes the strong fire stronger. The poet asks us to praise wind. Question 5. How does the wind become the cause of rain? The wind at times becomes violent and becomes a storm. It brings cloud filled with water with it from distant land. It is a truth that dark clouds filled with water bring rain with them. Question 6. Why should people build strong houses? People should build strong houses so that they cannot be damaged by the wind. They should be strong enough to endure violent winds and become a challenge to the strong wind. Question 7. What does the wind symbolize in the poem? The wind symbolizes the brutal power of nature. The wind is a symbol of might and strength. It hates weakling. It rather makes fun of them. Frail houses, door and hearts and bodies. It spares none. What should the wind symbolize? What does the poet ask us to do? The poet wants us to realize the true nature and power of the wind. He advises us to build strong homes. The doors must be closed firmly. Weak heart will never succeed. Let us make our heart strong and steadfast. The wind god favors strength and steadfastness. Why does the poet ask the wind to come softly in the beginning of the poem? The poet asks the wind to come softly in the beginning of the poem so that order and peace can be maintained when the wind blows. It disturbs everything and everyone in society, so the poet pleads for the welfare of society. Question 10. Give the central idea of the poem Wind. The central idea of the poem Wind is that we should be strong in mind and body. The wind will be our friend when we are strong. Actually, the wind represents the difficulties and challenges we face in life. We should encounter them boldly. Question 11. Long answer type question. Why does the poet suggest the people that they have to be strong? Write your answer in the context of the poem Wind. According to the poet, the wind is very powerful. It has power to break the shutters of the windows, scatter the papers, and throw the book from the shelf. When it blows violently, it brings the clouds. It mocks at the weak and destroys their homes. The weak person are really helpless before the wind. But the poet is quite hopeful. He thinks that when the people build strong houses, they can challenge the wind. Actually, the poet suggests the people that they should be strong at heart because the weak person cannot face the challenges of life. Only the people with strong heart have the courage to face the challenges of life. Question. The wind is a symbol of power and strength. How can we befriend it and survive in our struggle of existence? The wind symbolizes the uncontrollable and raw power of nature. The wind god symbolizes strength and steadfastness. Weakling who are weak in the mind and body are swept away by the mighty power of the wind. Only those who are blessed with steadfast minds and hearts survive in the bitter struggle of life. The poet gives a broader message Whatever we do or think must stand on the foundation of strength and power. Only strong minds and bodies can face the anger of the wind and challenges of life. We can befriend the god of wind by building strong homes and doors. We can also win his favor by firming the body and making the heart steadfast. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.